So where are we going tonight, Max?
Wow. Now my local city has a festival. Summer
Festival.
Yeah.
So we're getting to the town center a little bit. So there's a crossing and one guy is protecting us.
Festival, a limit. Usually easy to enter, but wow, nice feeling. Usually I cannot enter.
Walk down the middle of the street. Oh, some people having...
We are like a king and queen.
Okay, I've got my stick. Should I throw it up in the air? Start twirling. What happens on the video if I start going like this? Like, sorry. Hey, hello. Oh, the important people.
Yeah.
We're approaching the back.
Oh,
Very crowded area. So maybe
shall we go through the middle?
No. We have to move it.
Get off me, Max.
Yeah,
go around. Mickey Mouse. I get carried away. Sorry. We're at the beginning of the start of the parade. Oh, the girls coming. Oh, look at that.
Thank you.
The bubble man. Happy. The girls are practicing.
They just have a Seabura miso. Just one. I think it's, I recommend shoyu is better. Like a signature ramen. The vinegar and garlic. Garlic. So it's hot. Right.
So it looks like I've got a little spicy.
Yes.
This is a back fat noodle or zebra noodle. Zebra?
Seabura.
Seabura.
Not zebra.
Not zebra. Seabura.
Seabura.
Seabura noodles.
Okay. It's not supposed to take
Video or?
video right now.
Okay.
So you should try because let's check. So try it.
So I'm going to try Max's broth also. It's quite different. It's itadakimasu. Max, that's nice.
Yeah.
Michelle's trying Michelle's. I think Max and Michelle's are very similar. That's good, isn't it?
Very good.
Really good.
Okay.
Ramen's the best, isn't it?
Yes.
I was when I had the udon the other day, I was starting to think maybe I prefer udon. It's so good, and now I'm having the ramen. I'm thinking this is really good. Okay, so that's the back fat here, right? But ramen is a big meal, isn't it?
All we need is a place to be and a few good friends for some company. If you'd like to stay, you don't have to leave. We'll leave the lights on and the door unlocked. If you drop on by, you don't have to knock. We're happy to share whatever we've got.